Hey guys, it's Will at Jordanbikes, and today we've got to sell this. It's a Yamaha R6. Really good bikes these. Personally own 3 of them. Crackers. Anyway, let's give you some facts and figures on this. This one is a 2008 on a 58 plate. 10,032 miles it's done. Aftermarket bits on this one, tail tidy and some cheeky levers there as well. Apart from that, it is stock from the factory. Finished off in the red and white. Cracking colour scheme. Even the seats, great. You see there, mileage. I'm going to give it a quick start up in a second. Right, we'll give it a whirl. Yeah, really good bikes. Do so well down at Jordanbikes, and this one's no exception. It's a cracker. Anyway, enough of me talking about this little beauty. Pop down to Jordanbikes, just give us a call. Cheers.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.